What's going on, guys? It's your boy JB, and welcome to week number 17 of the Chris Sain 100K challenge. As you can see on the screen, it's Friday, April 23rd. Hope everybody had a phenomenal week. But if you'd like to help yourself out to 2 free stocks, click the link down below in the description and sign up for Webull today. But without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into my tracker. So here we are, guys. Inside my tracker, as you can see, your boy's down 20% on this portfolio. I'm going to change things just a tad bit, and I'm going to add one of those. I'm actually going to purchase some shares of one of my stocks that I'll show you here in a bit when we go into my app. But it's going to help, I think, in my opinion, help accelerate this stagnant growth. And until the meantime, until these things pop, because it could be, like Chris was saying, it could be August or later than that until these things start really moving. But just to change things up for this whole entire challenge, I'm going to start adding some of my plays in here that are outside the portfolio, and to see what happens that way. Also, too, comment down below what stocks that you guys have that have been blowing up that Chris doesn't have. I want to dive into those to start adding those to my portfolio as well. But I'm really looking into these recovery stocks right now before it's too late. But this week, guys, I did not add anything to my portfolio. I kind of just basically I just put my feet up and chill just to see what the market does. And I'm just glad we had 2 green days just to finish off this week. It was a very positive feeling for sure. But again, I won't dive into the transactions tab because, like I just said, I didn't add anything. And then options, I didn't do any options this week. I probably should have did a DraftKings one, but I'll probably end up doing one next week, whatever he says, just to see what happens again. But for BNGO, I'm probably going to kill that. And for Nano, I'm probably going to kill that. Those actually did pretty good this week, but overall, from an options perspective, it's the correction killed it. It's just not even worth even hanging on to anymore. So deposits, I did not put any money into my account, and I'll show you that here in a minute when we dive into my app and my wallet. Again, if you like your boy being transparent, give your boy the thumbs up, you know what I'm saying? So right now at a total of still $5,050 for this whole entire challenge. But with that being said, let's go ahead and dive into my app. So here we are, guys, inside my app. As you can see on the screen, I'm currently at $8,637.07. It seems like I've been here the past 8 weeks, but it's all good. I'm down for the week 3.38%. Buying power is at 448. And then here are my options. Again, I'm planning on killing BNGO and also Nano, those top 2. And then kind of start over a little bit clean, moving into some more option plays as we move along through this journey. Now, the top 2, again, like I said before, these are my plays that I had before this the whole challenge even started. So what I plan on doing is actually buy more CEQP. I'll go ahead and click into it. And for the week, it's actually up 7%. For the past 3 months, it's up 51.63%. Even though this is a dividend play, it still has a lot of growth potential, as you can see. For the past year, 271.13%. Total return of 74%, so not too bad. And I'm gonna start slowly building my play out with this stock. Let's go back, and then as you can see, let's go ahead and go into GNOG. See how it did for the week. 0.07. APXT for the week down 2.79. Tattooed Chef down 4.04. Hall of Fame. This is not one of Chris's plays anyways. Today went up 10%. For the week, up 24%. Of course, this is one of my plays, not Chris's. And Future FinTech for the week down 4.72%. And of course, there's Dogecoin. Won't go into that. Let's see, now dive into my wallet. All right, guys, here we are inside the completed transfers, so you can see how much money I've been putting into my account. So again, I did not put any money in there this week. The last time I did was April 5th. I deposited $600. Before that, $1,000. Before that, $100. before that 500, So that's to show you that I'm not putting any more money into my account. It's just make it look like it's bigger than what it really is. So yeah, that's where I stand right now, guys, in my portfolio. And again, guys, let me know what kind of plays that you're into right now that are outside the portfolio. I heard someone say they're in PSEC, P-S-E-C. I actually had that and I sold it, but I might actually get into it again. I don't know. I'm still trying to debate on that, but nevertheless, yeah, let me know down below. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell while you're at it, and smash the like button on your way out. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.